Hello YouTubers, this is the unboxing of the AIRSOFT 6 saucer P228 pistol. Look, it's a real gun, but it's an AIRSOFT version. Let's see what it comes to here. Alright, it comes with the manual instructions and some few shooting targets. I'll show you right now. Comes with 2 shooting targets. It comes with small pellets, small BB pellets, like 100 of them, or 50, I don't know, I don't read it. This is the main stuff. You see this shit? This is the plastic, but inside it's metal. This is all plastic. This is all plastic. And this is plastic and metal inside. You just do this, you reload, you shoot, bada bing, bada boom, that's the story. Got it? I'll do the reviews later. I got this pistol today, and when I'm gonna use the pistol a couple of times, see how it works and stuff like that. And if anything is wrong with the pistol or anything, I'll just do like reviews on it, like for people to know if it's good or not, for them to buy it. Alright, thank you YouTubers, thank you for watching the Assassin 264. Please comment and rate.